How does a rainbow form? Have you ever looked up after a rainstorm and seen a big, colourful arc in the sky? That's a rainbow, one of the most magical sights in nature. But did you know that a rainbow isn't just pretty? It's also science in action. Let's explore step by step how rainbows are made. The secret of sunlight looks white to our eyes, but it's actually made up of many colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. All these colors are mixed together in sunlight, so we normally can't see them separately. To see the colors, something needs to split the light. That something is usually a glass prism, or, in the case of a rainbow, raindrops. Right after it rains, there are millions of tiny water droplets floating in the air. If the sun comes out at the same time, something amazing happens. Sunlight enters a raindrop. Inside the drop, the light slows down and bends. This is called refraction. The light then bounces off the inside of the droplet, reflection, and bends again as it leaves. During this process, the light splits into its different colors, like red, orange, and blue. Each color travels at a slightly different angle, so when the light exits the drop, the colors fan out into a circle. From where we stand, we see this circle as a beautiful arc, the rainbow. Why are the colors always in the same order? Rainbows always show the same colors in the same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. That's because each color bends a little differently. Red bends the least and violet bends the most. This is why the colors stay in that same magical sequence every time. When and where can you see a rainbow? To see a rainbow, 3 things must happen. 1. There must be water droplets in the air, usually from rain. 2. The sun must be shining, usually low in the sky, like in the morning or late afternoon. 3. You must be standing in the right spot. The sun should be behind you, and the rain should be in front of you. If you have all 3, you're in for a treat. Fun rainbow facts. A rainbow is actually a full circle, but from the ground we usually only see half of it. If you're in an airplane, you might be lucky enough to see the whole circle. Sometimes you might see a double rainbow. The second one is fainter and has the colors reversed. Old legends say there's a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. While that's just a myth, the real treasure is learning how rainbows work. Rainbows are not just pretty, they're proof of how light, water, and angles can come together to create something truly magical. Now that you know how they form, you can impress your friends with the science behind the sparkle. So next time you see a rainbow, remember, you're not just looking at colors in the sky, you're watching science in action.